Normal English versus Advanced English. Do you want to speak like a pro? Join me in. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Risha. Let's begin. I don't know. Try saying I have no clue. It's easy. Say it's a piece of cake. I am leaving now. You can say I am heading out. Stop wasting time. Stop beating around the bush. You can say it like this. Congratulations. Say hats off to you instead of saying congratulations. Don't ignore me. Don't turn a blind eye. I am very busy. I am swamped. Be quick. Step on it. Don't lie. Cut the crap. You are right. Fair. If you like this video, do give it a like, comment and share. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel English with Risha. Thank you for watching.